pick up Chavie from her house, and we're gonna go to Tucson. I have to run some errands, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's see what today brings us. It is 11:30 in the morning already. I don't like to start my days this late. I like to start them really early, but that didn't happen today, but that's okay. I kind of didn't want to go to Tucson alone. So I 1000% forgot to introduce you guys to my friend Isabella. She goes by Chavie. You'll be seeing her for the rest of the video. The car is super cold for some reason. I feel like it kind of like refreshes me. It keeps me like awake. Yeah. And but I get cold really fast. But yeah, I like it cold. That's why I had to shake it, because I know my tummy doesn't get so cold. So
I always see a whole bunch of cop cars, and like I like slow down, and then like they'll be like right there, like passing me, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like my car knew. Just kidding.
no, it really be like that sometimes. I be going 80, bro, and they go past me, and I just think, how did they not pull me over?
Yeah.
Like God must have been holding my hand or something, because they should have pulled me over.
Sometimes when I'm going, like when I realize I'm going fast, you know, and I'm like, oh my gosh,
Help. You know?
yeah.
And you remember that day that me, you, and Beezer went to Dutch, and we went to go get drinks, and she goes, I think I want a Red Bull, but I don't want to get a headache, you know? And I was like, girl, do not get a Red Bull. Get a Red Bull. I better not hear it. I don't want to hear you got a headache, girl. And sure enough, she got a Red Bull, and she didn't say anything the entire time. She goes, that's good, you know, she was drinking or whatever. And like a couple days later, she goes, I didn't want to say nothing, but I got a headache after the Red Bull. And I was like, I knew. My car has so many memories. Like this car, well, I've had it since 2000.
You took it like all over the country.
Literally. Oh, there's a Starbucks drink, a TikTok hack that I saw, and it was fresas con crema from Starbucks.
Oh yeah, did you try it?
So freaking good, dude.
Did it taste like? Did it really taste like it?
It tasted like fresa con crema. I was watching Sweet Tea. They're so freaking funny, dude. I didn't realize they were our age. I thought they were younger.
Oh, I knew that.
Yeah. How old are they? Like in their 20s, huh? Like 20, 21.
Are they?
Are they?
I think
They
they're
said
like
20.
19.
Really? Well, in one of the videos that I just watched, they said that they're in their 20, like they're 20. And I was
Maybe.
like, what? They're 20?
But what if
I
they're
was
19
like,
and they just round?
Aww. No, then never mind. They don't look that good. I don't know. I feel like when I know somebody's age, it just makes them a little more attractive to me. We're at Ross. I want to do an OOTD check, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to wait until like I'm feeling myself. Yes, sir. This store is so slept on. I guess I will. Let's see.
Because you be locked in underneath here, and then you like break a rib.
Oh, look. Oh my God, you're so right. And with this, like,
It'll lock you.
Oh, that's so true.
Put it under, you're just gonna.
And it will break my rib. It'll like,
Well, because this would lock and it'll break your rib.
or it'll like cut, wear your seatbelts correctly. Except when you're filming. Just kidding. Yeah, that's my. So I did my makeup a little bit different today. Tell me what y'all think. Glass is cold. My lip gloss is popping. Oh, play that real quick. Oh no, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. My bad, my bad.
Hello?
What the heck? How do you like decide what to put in your videos and whatnot too? I don't have time. I'm getting my closet and I want to make a TikTok out of it. Oh my god,
You should make a TikTok out of it.
it's hard. I don't have these editing skills.
No, I feel like it's about patience. Like you just gotta have patience, you know?
I don't have patience. That's why I'm not having kids. I don't know what to do.
Let's go. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know?
How's your thinking?
What you know? My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys keep jocking. They chase me at the school.
That was weird that you like went really fast on that one then. Girl, you said off guard picture.
I know. I just forget I'm chubby.
You're not chubby. So I was confused and I didn't want to say it. You didn't want to say it. See,
Yeah.
miscommunication.
That's true.
You're the problem.
That's true. Me? Miscommunication was the problem. Because I made it clear.
No,
When
you
I
did
said-
not.
yeah.
You do not know what I'm referencing by miscommunication.
What? Oh. Speaking of
As
which.
I said, you're the problem because you were in both situations.
Yeah. True that.
Get up. I'll drive.
Shut up.
Trying to see what the hype is about.
Thanks so much for choosing Starbucks. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good, thank you.
Yeah, of course. What can we get started for you, honey? Oh, wait, what was that?
So it's the pink drink with 3 scoops of vanilla bean powder
Yeah.
and 2 shots of heavy cream, and they're grandes. I'll get 2 of those.
Okay, perfect. We don't do like shots of heavy cream, so we just kind of like freehand pour it. Do you want us to replace the coconut milk with heavy cream?
No, I'll go ahead and do both.
Okay, so we can do a mix of that. You got it, girl.
Yeah. I got it.
Okay, add that vanilla bean in there for us, and then we'll go ahead and add some heavy cream too. You got it. Okay, cool. And 2 of those, we're gonna make them grandes.
Yes.
Perfect. Anything else for you, honey?
No, that'll be all.
Perfect. I'll see you up here. Okay, it's gonna be 10:53. Thank you.
Thank you. You got it, girl.
You got it.
You got it. Oh, look at there's a puppy.
I know, I
up
saw
there.
it. It's driving.
Look how cute. Look at there's a puppy driving that Jeep, you guys. Wait, see if it pops out again. I hate recording other people. Look at it, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. That is so freaking cute. Oh, what a puppy. You guys, I'm sorry we were screaming, but that is the cutest thing ever. If you didn't hear my order, it was the pink drink with 3 vanilla bean powder scoops and heavy cream. I asked for 2 scoops of vanilla bean powder, didn't I? I'm pretty sure I asked for 2 scoops. Anyway,
I
it
feel like this needs more cream.
needs more cream, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I should have put another shot of cream. Or I should have said another shot of cream.
They don't do shots.
She said that was 2 shots. They kind of freehand it or whatever. And they're talented. Well, anyway, yeah.
It's good though.
But it tastes good, huh? There's like sugar at the bottom, huh?
Yeah.
Did you say that? Yeah, it's kind of weird. Yeah.
Screenshot it?
Well, I saved the picture, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Well,
Yes!
no!
You can't tell me
No,
this
go,
again.
go.
Oh my god! I'm so mad!
Girl!
You know, I'm like, you gotta cut this out.
Yeah. Well,
I'm
yeah.
so mad!
Yeah.
Why did you tell me
No,
this?
I wanted to tell
You
you.
should have just said, hey, can we take your car? I would have been
Oh
like,
my
yes,
God.
girl, but you gonna drive. Ah! Because
That's some tea. That is some real tea. Well, anyway, I went and
maybe she tweeted something about
you.
me.
Yeah.
And like she did it, and this was like, dude, like back when I was like, oh my god, I was probably barely going to NAU at the time.
Yeah,
Like 2
I
years
didn't
ago,
know
3 years
she.
ago.
I didn't know she blocked me until recently.
Yeah.
Sure enough, I was unblocked. Like she probably felt some type of way towards me, you know. But like I'm sure I never gave her a reason to. But then again, I never know what I said that might have thrown someone off.
Yeah. Wait, like
Yeah,
3
bro,
days.
it was the worst. And I took him back too. I'll probably take him back again. I don't know. But anyway,
Yeah,
like
probably.
not right now. I definitely would not right now. And if that ruins my chances for the future, then who cares, you know? But not right now, because I want to stand my ground. I had it like, boys are so dumb. Like you think I don't know? You think I can't see
Yep.
that? And
Oh, that makes me so mad.
Yeah, bro, it
I'm
makes me
gonna
mad.
fight him.
It makes me mad.
I'm gonna go knock on his door. Would you like to buy some Girl Scout cookies?
And bah, with eggs.
And I'll do it again. I always get like smalls.
Oh, do you? That's a medium though. Isn't it? Grande? What's
yeah,
small?
but a
Oh, okay. But we are at the thrift store now, and like I said, I'm gonna take scrubs that I had from my old job, and yeah, I'm basically just gonna like trade them in for credit.
Are you
Trading, yes.
Okay.
Can I leave them here?
Yeah, I'll just need to get your phone number and sign me in.
Okay.
Okay, your phone number?
520-425-725.
Okay, we'll get to it in just a minute.
Thank you so much. So this is my outfit. I have this raincoat on because it's supposed to be raining later today, and this white sport bra, and these shorts, and my white slip-ons.
I smiled. I can't even see.
Every day that too, I be smiling at people. So we didn't find anything at JCPenney's for work, so I'm gonna try to look at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for now, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing another day. What I'm getting at the Container Store so far.
Share my food?
No, I'm recording it.
Whatever.
Shut up. I'm gonna leave that in there. Oh, I was gonna try to get the name of it, but Cajun Grill, y'all, don't sleep on it. How delicious is it on the scale of 1 to 10 though?
Like a 10.
Ooh, it's pretty good. Yeah. So there's a golf course right behind us, and we just took some pictures. But honestly, bro, like I'm probably not even gonna post this vlog, cause all we did was chismear, you know, like a few minutes of just us rambling. I know I can do that. The juicy part. Look at the weather. So whatever it is that ended up happening in that video, I hope you guys enjoy. It was kind of unplanned. I know it was all over the place. I apologize. It wasn't well thought out, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button to be notified when I upload a new video. So I'll see you guys in my next video.